Spinal cord injury introduction. Please point to the peripheral nerves. Choose one of the following options. Correct. Spinal cord injury only occurs when the spinal cord is compressed by vertebrae. Select true or false. Correct. Spinal cord injury can occur if the spinal cord becomes compressed or if the blood supply of the spinal cord is cut off. Which of the following locations would cause the most severe spinal cord injury? Choose one of the following options. 1. The neck or cervical area. 2. The upper back or thoracic area. 3. The lower back or lumbar area. Correct. Automobile accidents are the leading cause of spinal cord injuries. Select true or false. Correct. Motor vehicle crashes account for 37% of spinal cord injuries. Wear a seatbelt every time you drive or ride in a vehicle. Make sure children are buckled in properly. Do not drive under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Sports accidents are the second leading cause of spinal cord injuries. Select true or false. Correct. Sports accidents account for only 6% of spinal cord injuries. However, they can easily be prevented by following safety guidelines. Violence is the second leading cause of spinal cord injuries. Select true or false. Correct. Violence accounts for 28% of spinal cord injuries. Keep firearms and ammunition locked in a cabinet or safe. Falls account for more than 20% of spinal cord injuries. Select true or false. Correct. Falls are the third leading cause of spinal cord injuries. However, falls can easily be prevented. To prevent falls, you can remember a few safety tips. 1. Use a step stool to reach objects on high shelves. 2. Install handrails on stairways. 3. Install window guards to keep children from falling out of windows. 4. Use safety gates at the top and bottom of stairs when young children are around. Thank you for using Explain.